Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another training recap. Before we get into it, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and check that link in the description. Join our Discord so you can trade with us and learn how to trade with all the resources that we have in there. And yeah, that's gonna be it for my sales pitch. But today took one trade, banger trade, hit TP. But when we took the trade, my computer magically lost connection somehow. Um, So I'm very happy that everything were limit orders, right? Like we had our limit, we had our stop set. So we could set and forget if we wanted to. Um, but yeah, it smacked our TP almost to the like we almost top tick this TP here before it continued to rebalance the rest of this new week opening gap here. But um yeah, man. Nice 5.3 R trade to get us right back into the flow of things. Um, as uh, as you guys seen, past couple of days I haven't been trading, and you might be able to hear the sickness in my voice. I've been, I think I have the flu, but I want to, put that energy on myself. But I'm pretty sure I have the flu or some kind of congestion that was making it really hard to think, really hard to breathe. Um, and I was just in terrible condition, really in no shape to trade whatsoever. So I just did it. And that probably saved me a couple $100 this week because taking bad trades with a fevered mind is not exactly a great thing. But yesterday we did wake up for the session, but I still wasn't feeling tip top shape or even well enough to trade. So we were just forward testing yesterday. Got pretty good results, which gave me a little more confidence coming into today that we would be um, in a good condition to trade, right? But yeah, let's break down this trade here. Really quick, literally within the first minute of market open, that bell rang, we hit that dip, and then we got our TP. So nice quick trade to start off. Um, is it to start off the week? I think I traded on Monday. Wait, what's today? Dude, I don't even, today's Thursday. So I think this might have been the second day that I traded this week. But yeah, nice little trade. Um, but let's break it down. So on the hourly, what were we looking? We were looking pretty bearish. We had higher highs, lower high, or highs, um, lows, higher lows, and then lower lows. So that gave me some confidence that it was going to be either a bearish day or it was going to flip once we filled this new week opening gap here. And I was really leaning more towards the reversal after the NWOG fill. So um, that's basically what we got today. So um, for the hourly, we had this nice rejection block off the CE of this, along with some nice levels right underneath it for us to sweep before we entered. Oh my gosh. But coming down to the 15-minute, pretty much the same thing. Had some more rejection blocks here that also lined up with some order blocks further over to the left, but those levels got invalidated before our market open. If they didn't get traded through before market open, I might have taken a trade off of it. But since it did get traded through before market open, I pretty much completely disregarded it. Um, and instead focused on the higher time frame, right? So after that, coming down to the 5, not really seeing a whole lot more. Um, but considering that this level was lining up with our NWOG, that gave me very, very, very high confidence on the level. So that made me literally entered the limit at 929, and yeah, we pretty much got tapped in straight away. But I mean, not really much to go over. Our trade copier did not work today, so we only got this trade on one account, unfortunately. But we're not gonna have FOMO. We're just gonna come back tomorrow, do the same thing over again, and save all of our funded accounts from drawdown. Because as you know, we've been having a terrible start to the year because your boy's addicted to strategy hopping. I'm always trying to find the next best thing when I just need to stick to what works for me. And, this method of trading is what worked for me during December, which is literally the month that I learned it. And I just gotta keep doing what I know works. Because at this point, we're trading for nothing. We're trading and making no money, trading, making no progress, just losing, losing, losing. We're just filling the pockets of profitable traders, right? So glad we're getting that under control. Didn't even check for SMT. That's how confident I was at this level. Um, and as you can see, very minimal drawdown. Think, what was it? 5 points of drawdown, like 8 points of six points of drawdown. On that trade, and then fully delivered to our 53 point TP. I was targeting the 9 a.m. open. Um, but I wanted to leave a few ticks of wiggle room just in case. And honestly, 30 points is normally my target. If I'm going against the flow, against the trend, and we were trading against the trend as we didn't fill the NWOG completely yet. So that being said, um, the only reason why I didn't um do 30 points is I was very confident that this 9 a.m. level would have hit. But other than that, man, it's a quick traded day, one and done, literally before 9:45 a.m. That's what more can you ask for, right? But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you all for watching. Hope y'all made some money today. And yeah, I'll catch y'all next trading day. Peace out.